So, hello everybody. I'm here to debunk the heliocentric model, the heliocentric spaceball model. We have our beloved assumed globe, Earth. Up there in the distance we have the face of the moon. Obviously the distance is not exactly 30 Earth diameters away, but it doesn't matter. Still, the principle is exactly the same. We have a moon that, due to sunlight, sometimes supposedly is fully lit, as it is right now, and sometimes only part of it is lit, as we have the waxing and waning, I would say. So we have our globe, and we have some Lego figures. Standing at two different locations. And since we are supposedly living on a ball with gravity pulling us towards the center, we are always standing at the highest point of observation. And when we are like this girl, standing and facing east, we should see the moon rise above the horizon like this, and then she will keep on spinning and eventually having the moon reaching her meridian line. It's the highest place in the sky where the moon after that starts to go down. But this is what we see, the moon doing when it rises, right? Now we'll look what someone will see when they look towards west when the moon is setting. Do you see? It will set upside down. And she is still standing approximately around the equator. It doesn't matter. The moon should set upside down relative to when the moon is rising. This is much harder to show in the various models that exist, that I have addressed and will address in other videos. But using the actual scaled down model of the heliocentric model, this is what we should see in the east when the moon is rising, and approximately 12 hours later when the moon is to set in the west. It should set upside down. Now, if we have a half moon, and the side of the moon to the right from this girl's perspective, that's this side down here. If that side at the right hand side was lit and her left hand side was dark, remember, right hand lit. When we come 12 hours later, her right hand side would now be dark, since the upper part is the one so not only should the moon set upside down, when the moon is half, it should flip the light from being lit, shining, and sunshine on the right hand side, and now the left hand side will be shining. This is crazy. This is things we buy into because we are usually shown this kind of perspective far away out into from space, and we always are shown models with scales totally wrong. So there is a big detachment between the model and what we actually see relative to what we should see, and we are never shown this from science, how things would look like in the heliocentric model. We are mostly filling in the blanks but by ourselves. So we are shown the heliocentric model, and then we go out and look and make no connection between what we should see and what we do see. Moon rising, horns first in this case. Moon setting, upside down, horns first. Easy as pie to understand if you understand the heliocentric model. So, study the heliocentric model, go out and look at the moon rising and setting, and you will within a month understand that the heliocentric model is garbage.